morning. It is a beautiful day in Helsinki and the lighting is weird in this part. It's sort of in the middle of September, but it looks warm and bright outside. So I've decided to try to wear a dress at least one last time this season. Today I have 3 classes in various places. The first one is at Aalto. The second one is at Economicum, which is near to Hanken, and my last one is at Hanken. And there's about 15 to 20 minute break in between all of those, so I'm gonna be a little bit rushed to get to class, but at least it's gonna be an exciting day. So I'm happy about that. Thank you for joining me today. I'm sure we're gonna have a nice adventure and hopefully I will actually remember to film. I don't know when I'm gonna have lunch in between, if I am going to have lunch, but my cousins are coming to me this evening so that we can use my sauna, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, gotta finish that coffee before I head out. It is really nice that in Finland you get to do cross-institutional studies if you really want to. So I get to take classes from 3 different universities while being registered at one. It's a good program to be in economics. I can highly recommend. So far, we have to head to the metro now. Let's go! So I'm at Aalto now, which is a beautiful place, and especially on a day like today, it's really nice. But unfortunately, I went to the wrong place, so now I'm late for class, and I need to find where I actually have class. There are just ducks there on the floor. Almost there. I'll be like 5 minutes late, but there it is. Yay, I made it out of my second class. I'm on the way to Hanken now to have some lunch before my Finnish class starts. I have half an hour. And fortunately, Hanken's restaurant is open till 3 p.m. So I've got a couple minutes to enjoy my food.
One student, okay, so she will be sitting here and here is one, I don't think so. Let's say 3:15 all.
Okay, class is done for the day. My first Finnish lesson went very well. At the beginning, the lecturer was like, I don't think you should be here because your Finnish is a little bit too advanced. And I was like, I promise I can't read and write Finnish well, so I need to be here. I need to start from the beginning. So I really enjoyed that and I definitely learned some things. So I'm glad and I look forward to doing a lot of Finnish classes. I think it's going to be really fun and also super useful. But yeah, I had a good day. I'm going to go and grab some stuff to take home from the market, and then my cousins and my friend Femi are gonna come over so that we can have a basti session, which is gonna be cool. So let's go. I am finally home after what was a long day of classes, and I'm happy to say I've learned new things, but it was a little bit stressful going from place to place, but hopefully I'll get used to it and then also just feel more comfortable with the fact that I'm gonna have to walk into a lecture late because of the timetable that I have. And it's not like I'm the only one, so it's okay. I just feel bad. What can I say? So yeah. Soon my cousins and Femi are gonna be here, which is exciting, and I'm gonna cook some pasta for them.
Kunde åtminstone tillräckligt med finska. Alla andra hade helt totalt basfinska och att läraren fortsatte. Så det har bara varit lite disappointing. Ja. Men det där är lite ställe i alla fall på.
Och det blir bra.